Don't know what this chap's talking about, but I don't know about him having to do toilet things several times. Right, Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
So we got this from the farm, so paid well over the odds, but apart from the fact somebody's drilled a hole in it to bring the... Roger, I'm now back on the speaker.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger. As you know, the high-low power switch is on the back on these, and somebody mounted it on the front. Anyway, we can't let things like that go, so it's now a hole, but it's part of the radio's history. Roger on that. We've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane.
More trouble.
The end of it. Now passing the passing place and doggy daycare.
Less. Roger on that.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Temperature out there.
Yeah, it's come up 9 degrees now.
Oh, good.
It's very windy though, so it feels a lot colder.
Roger.
Chippie, we're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on an Amstrad CB900 and not the 901 and 900. Genuine Japanese, they all are the 900s, which is fake. From 1981 using the Cybernet 002F chassis. So I'm on the standard replacement mic, doing full watt hours over.
Yeah, roger that. So have they not got Roger Bleep on them?
That's right. No Roger, please. No Charlie 9, please. No public address.
Yeah, Roger. Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson at level crossing. Alan Sugar, as in Sir Alan Sugar, said that he lost money on every one of these CB900s. He was there as a loss leader. They were saying, well, look at all you get extra for £10 with 901. But there you are. I think he lost a penny on each one.
Right, okay. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Amstrad CB900 using SINAD 002F chassis, and we're on a standard replacement line. The radio is doing a full 4 watt output, and it is drawing just over 1 amp at 1.04 amps. So we'll go to low power, and here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power. The radio is doing exactly 400 milliwatts, and it's drawing 510 milliamps of power. We'll go back to full power. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problem on full power. Obviously noisy on low power, but all fully readable.
Excellent, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
crossing. Over. Yeah, 141.9, 149.7.
Roger that, was absolutely great, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yeah, 141.9, 149.7.
Roger that. Well, it's absolutely great. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. There you go. Can't ask for more than that. And if you saw the servicing video, you'll see that the receiver is exceptional on this at 0.23 microvolts. So it was just slightly over power at 4.05 watts, but I've let it go because they do drop off as they warm up. So there we are. Thanks for watching. We'll go over to the base station, which is a Cybernet 134 base radio, the Midland 76900, and let's see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic.
Testing this Amstrad CB900 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3. Just pop it on low power of the hum test. There we are on low power, 400 milliwatts back to full power. It's not off now, exactly 400 milliwatts on these because they're not adjustable, but this one is. And there you go. So thanks for watching. This one will be for sale, and hopefully we'll get something else in before Christmas.